And survivor are clear of the vessel.
Roger.
Hold position here if you can.
Hold position here. Roger.
Can we talk to the 45?
Yeah, you can let them know, either on CTAP frequency or whatever's free.
And from a survivor just outside the cabin door.
Roger that. And you can throw in an extra 200 pounds on the crew weight right now. I don't know how big a boy that guy is, but just at a swag.
Bring a swimmer and survivor inside the cabin.
Roger. Should probably have our ASE for a bit low. Roger.
Easy forward.
Easy forward.
Okay, I'm going to bring him back up.
Roger. Did they put the survivor on deck?
No, not yet.
Okay.
It looks like he gave me the up signal.
Okay.
I think it'll just be safer to get him inside the cabin.
That's fine. We'll plan for that. You want me to back off from here? Is this a good position?
You can back off if you need it, but we're in a good position.
Okay.
So it's up to you.
No, you're good.
But you're clear.
Left.
We'll come. Actually, I'll wait till they're up in here before moving. I don't go swinging them.
And bring a swimmer and survivor inside the cabin.
Roger. How's that power looking?
And swimmer and survivor inside the cabin.
We're about 87% hold.
Sweet. We can definitely take another one. Add 200 pounds to the weight. See what our max goes to.
Roger.